Today we're breaking down the costs of relocating a 3-bedroom house in the UK so you can plan your move with confidence. Hi, I'm Pete, welcome back to Removal Reviews, your go-to resource to make every aspect of your home move easier, cheaper and safer. Let's get started. Several factors influence moving costs: the amount of stuff you're moving, the distance between properties, any access challenges, and additional services like packing or furniture dismantling. But here are some average moving costs to give you an idea of what to expect. Moving from London to Milton Keynes, costs typically range from £1,500 to £2,200. Relocating between Birmingham and Oxford, you're looking at approximately £1,400 to £1,700. And for a move from Glasgow to Edinburgh, expect to pay around £1,450 to £1,550. Considering a DIY move, renting a 7.5 tonne vehicle averages £380 a day plus VAT. Add insurance, GPS rental and fuel and you're approaching professional mover prices without the added convenience. Packing services can simplify your move but come at cost. For a 3-bedroom home, professional packaging ranges from £450 to £950. Alternatively, purchasing packing materials and do-it-yourself can be more budget friendly, but it is time consuming and arguably one of the worst parts about moving home. Remember, these are just averages. You can get a more accurate quote for your move right now by calling one of our advisors on 0808 501 2789 or fill out the quote form at removalreviews.co.uk/quote to get 4 free, no obligation quotes. Now, here are 3 ways you can save some money on your moving expenses. Declutter before packing. The fewer items you move, the cheaper your moving costs will be. Next, compare multiple removal quotes. Shopping around can save you some serious money. Just make sure you do your research before booking a mover. Moving on weekends or during peak seasons can increase costs. Scheduling your move on a weekday or during off-peak times may lead to savings. Be sure to head on over to our home moving blog to discover ways to make your move cheaper and easier. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to ensure that you never miss any of our awesome content. Till next time, happy moving. Bye.